This is a pineapple plant. To do this, you're going to need a fresh pineapple, a knife to cut, and a pot of damp soil. Remove the top from the pineapple, leaving enough room to expose the core. Then, twist off the remaining fruit. From here, start removing the leaves from the base of the stem. The point here is to expose the roots and the stem, leaving enough room to be planted. You can plant your pineapple tops straight away. I like to sit mine in a glass of water for a couple of days. Next, you'll need a pot of damp soil or potting mix. Make some space for the roots and stem to sit in. And plant your pineapple. Pineapples love being watered from the top. Continue watering every couple of days or as needed. Find a sunny spot. Have a great day.